What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another Mercedes-Benz Monday on Tuesday. Gonna be very chill today. I got some excuses for you. Actually, I need your help if any of you guys are a little more fluent in 190E stuff. Alright, so today's video, as you see, the garage is an absolute mess. There's just stuff all over the place. This is actually all parts from the 240. So a lot of interior pieces and then just random other stuff. There's a heater core and stuff like that. Not important. Someone was supposed to come look at the car this weekend to possibly buy it. They flaked on me. Then they hit me up today. They might come next weekend. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not crossing my fingers, but took all the stuff down from the attic because all that stuff is going to be included with the sale because I just want it gone. But now I have no space. Let's get into the video here. What we're going to not be doing. We're not going to be fitting the body kit today. I know. Might be a little upset at me, but there's reasons behind it. So number one, no space. Number two, right now the temperature is 20 degrees, feels like 7 degrees, and I believe it feels like 7 degrees in this garage at the moment. So it's pretty damn cold. Third reason, I got a tattoo on my hand 2 days ago, so I'm not really looking to get all fiberglass dust and metal shavings and everything all over my hands right now. So that's another reason why. So we got 3 reasons. The part I actually need your help with is helping me figure out what's wrong with this car. Not so much wrong with the car, but when I do the turn signals. So let me go explain. Okay, in the car now. Let's see. I don't know if it does it with it off or on here. Let's see. Alright. We're going to put the blinkers on. Down. And you see both blinkers are working. You got a left and a right. Same with that. Hazard switch working like they're supposed to do, but obviously turn signals no good. And then also when we turn our lights on, those lights come on, which I don't think that matters so much because those lights are supposed to come on when you do that, but on the dash they're not supposed to come on. So I've been having that problem. And I don't know how to fix that one. Not that we really drive the car on the road. Actually, we unregistered and uninsured it. But that's something I'm going to have to address at some point to get the car on the road. And I have no idea what the issue is. I changed out the blinker relay box or whatever. There's like a box. I think it's like up tucked behind the fuse box on the driver's side. If I remember correctly, I changed that out. So that's not the problem. That had a brand new one in it. I think I saw someone mentioned that it could be something along the lines of like the hazard switch got stuck or something like that, which doesn't necessarily make sense to me. I'm thinking something's grounded out. I'm not completely sure. One thing I know I want to at least check is all the turn signal bulbs in this car are LED bulbs. We switched them over, so maybe that could be something with it. I don't know if you guys had that problem. If you did, let me know down below so I could just try to order new bulbs, because I'm running out of ideas here. Also, you saw there's the Momo steering wheel installed in the car, which I kind of want to find a larger one, possibly a wood grain one, to swap over into it. With that steering wheel, I don't have the horn hooked up. The original time I hooked it up, I guess I hooked it up wrong, and I popped the fuse every single time I would hit the horn, so I just disconnected that. That's something I'm going to have to figure out too. There's been a lot of help and suggestions about why the trunk used to leak. Which I actually didn't address that yet still, but the comments and the suggestions are greatly appreciated. So this is why I'm reaching out to you guys again about the turn signal situation. I don't remember if it happened after we changed all the turn signal bulbs to LEDs, so I can't help on that one. And I definitely happened after I changed the steering wheel out from the stock one to this sport one with the, I think it was the Momo hub adapter. So I don't know if that had something to do with it also, but it was working when we got the car, and now it's not working properly, at least. So if you know what it is, if you have any things for me to check or any guesses or whatever, please leave those down below. Let me know. I'm all ears. All right, now that we spoke about issues with the car that needs fixing, that I need your guys' help with, a couple other things that we should be looking forward to this week. hopefully is, if you go back on the video where I fixed the clunking noise in the truck, you would remember or know that I'm assuming it was the ABS sensor, that I crushed the ABS sensor possibly when I dropped when the caliper broke out of the zip tie. Oh, God damn it. That's not what you want to do. Messed up the ABS sensor, so we're getting lights on the dash. Not a big deal, the car still works fine, but those lights are no good. Plus, I don't think the hill assist works anymore when you're parked on it, when you're stopped on a hill at a light. Not a big deal, but we need to fix this stuff. Those sensors should be coming this week, and then also this box right there. That's our light bar. Pretty sick. Pretty hyped on this one. You're gonna have to follow along, hit that subscribe button. We got this light bar. I'll actually throw a picture up of what it looks like on the screen right now. It's gonna go on the truck. It's gonna be awesome. I'm very excited for it. I did order this other thing. It's like I think from KC Lights. They make a universal wire hider thing. I ordered that too, waiting for that to come in, but we could still do the install, get everything done, and then you could use that wire hider after the fact. So this is pretty sick. I'm very excited for this. Now it's 240. Hopefully this thing sells. And like I said, if it doesn't sell, I'm not going to be upset at all because been enjoying it lately. Been messing around with it, these little projects here and there, swapping the seat brackets around, where if I wind up keeping, I'm going to swap it back to the way I had it because it's a little too high for me now. Fixing the steering wheel, like all this little stuff, and then I took it for the drive just to go get gas the other day, and I almost didn't want to sell it anymore, so we'll see how it goes. Keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully it does sell because I wouldn't mind the extra money in my pocket, and then we could jump right into another project when we move. But if it doesn't sell, we're going to make this car amazing. So thank you for joining me today. I know this video is quick and very wordy and not much going on. Hopefully you could assist me with the turn signal problem on the 190E. Soon I'll be making the video about the engine swap ideas, which is going to have to happen after we move because we're looking to move soon, hopefully. We're going to continue firing out this body kit, and like I said in one of the earlier videos, we're trying to take our time. So the fitment might not be amazing at first, but we're going to make it amazing in the long run. Right now we're just trying to get everything on and fitted to the car so we can figure out how to fit it, which, I mean, I kind of know how to fit it now, but there's a few adjustments that need to be made, especially on the front fenders. I don't know if the passenger side's as bad, but the driver's side needs some adjustment. Just some stuff we got to mess with. Not the end of the world. We're going to get it. We're going to get it awesome. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave some comments down below if you know what the problem with this car is. Leave me some good luck wishes about selling the 240. Hopefully it sells, and hopefully these ABS sensors fix the truck. That's all I got for you guys today. Not sure if we're doing a Mercedes-Benz video next week because we might be going on vacation. We'll see if I can film something before then. Garage is a disaster. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to shut up now. Peace out. Thanks for watching.